Hey, thanks for joining me today. So we're going to make and design two end pieces for an altar that I built for a client. It's a portable altar, so it needs to have handles. I like to radius the corners of my projects just on the top so you don't have any sharp edges. Then we just decide on a circle and kind of make an oval shape for the handle. We're going to have a bottom, center, and a top piece on this altar. So here I'm just making the screw holes. And this is how I do even spacing. I don't know, I'm trying to get it a certain distance away from the left side. If you know a better way to space those circles or those holes away from the edge, let me know in the comments. This is the method I use. I needed the spacing for the bottom and center to be a certain size for the drawer that I'm going to build for this altar. I'll put a link up to the video where I actually built the altar. So now we're going to choose a design to put on these panels, on the side panels. You can buy this file on Etsy. I'll link it in the description if you're interested. You can get design files really inexpensively. So this is the pattern I chose. And I'm just adding this to the bottom section of the side panel. Now I didn't like the entire pattern. I thought it was too busy and it was going to be too many small cuts. I just wanted to have some openings to give it some detail on each side. So I'm going to actually edit and take out part of the pattern, the pieces that I don't want. I'll be sure to link the video where I actually built this and show you how I built this. Hey, if you made it this far, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.